Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Name of the subject Mathematics, Standard 6th. Topic Banks and Simple Interest. Name of the teacher Mrs. Snehal Sarvaiya. Chapter 14 Banks and Simple Interest. In this video, we will learn what is bank, what are the types of accounts, what is interest rate, and practice set 35. What is a bank? A bank is an organization recognized by the government that carries out monetary transactions. Now, how to open an account in a bank? Get a form for opening an account in a bank. Fill it correctly and sign it. Get the signature from an existing account holder in that bank as a reference. Attach the following documents. First, proof of residence, that is ration card, electricity or telephone bill, etc. Second, proof of identity, that is Aadhaar card, voter's ID card, PAN card, passport, etc. Third, copies of latest photographs. Types of accounts. First, saving account. A saving account is a way of making a habit of saving money. An account holder can deposit or withdraw money. The number of withdrawals is restricted. Bank gives 4% to 6% interest on the money in this account. The customer gets facilities like a passbook, checkbook, ATM card, mobile, SMS banking, etc. Second is current account. This account is useful for companies, businessmen, etc. The customer can deposit or withdraw money any number of times a day. No interest is paid by the bank on the balance of this account. There are other accounts like term or fixed deposit account, recurring deposit account, cash credit account, etc. Next is interest rates. Interest is paid by the bank on the deposits by account holder. Interest is charged on loans lent by banks. The interest charged on a fixed principal of rupees 100 per year is called simple interest. When charging or calculating interest on a loan or a deposit, the rate of interest is given for every rupees 100. A rate of interest per cent per year or per annum, that is PCPA, gives the amount of interest due on every rupees 100 for a period of 1 year. Practice set 35. Question 1. At a rate of 10 PCPA, what would be the interest for 1 year on rupees 6,000? Solution. Here principal is rupees 6,000, time is 1 year and rate of interest is 10 PCPA. So let the interest on rupees 6,000 be rupees X. So the interest on rupees 100 is given to be rupees 10. Therefore, X upon 6,000 is equals to 10 upon 100. Multiplying both sides by 6,000, therefore X upon 6,000 into 6,000 is equals to 10 upon 100 into 6,000. So 6,000 will get cancelled. We will get the value X is equals to 600. So the answer is the yearly interest would be rupees 600. Question 2. Mahesh deposited rupees 8,650 in a bank at the rate of 6 PCPA. How much money will he get at the end of the year? Solution. Here principal is rupees 8,650, time is 1 year and rate of interest is 6 PCPA. So let the interest on rupees 8,650 be rupees X. Then X upon 8,650 is equals to 6 upon 100. Multiplying both the sides by 8650. So we will get the answer X is equals to 519. Here interest is 519. Principal is 8,650. So amount is equals to principal plus interest. So 8650 plus 519. The answer is 9169. So Mahesh will get rupees 9169 at the end of the year. Question 3. Ahmed Chacha borrowed rupees 25,000 at 12 PCPA for 1 year. What amount he have to return to the bank at the end of the year? Solution. Here principal is 25,000, time is 1 year and rate is 12 PCPA. So let the interest on rupees 25,000 be x. Then x upon 25,000 is equals to 12 upon 100. Multiplying both the sides by 25,000. Therefore, x upon 25,000 into 25,000 is equal to 12 upon 100 into 25,000. So the answer is x is equals to 3,000. This 3,000 is the interest and principal is 25,000. So amount will be 25,000 plus 3,000. That is principal plus interest is equals to rupees 28,000. So Ahmed Chacha will have to return rupees 28,000 to the bank. Question 4. Kisandra wanted to make a pond in his field. He borrowed rupees 35,250 from a bank at an interest rate of 6 PCPA. How much interest will he have to pay to the bank at the end of the year? Solution. Here principal is 35,250. Time is 1 year. Rate of interest is 6 PCPA. Let the interest on rupees 35,250 be rupees x. Then x upon 35,250 is equals to 6 upon 100. Multiplying both the sides by 35,250. So x is equals to 2,115. That is interest is rupees 2,115. So Kisandra will have to pay rupees 2,115 as interest to the bank. Thank you.